Today, I'll show you how to add a simple text watermark to your videos. This is perfect if you want to brand your content or protect it from being reused without credit. First, open up your project and make sure your video is on the timeline. Now, from here, choose text and type in your watermark, for example, your name or your channel name. Next, customize the style. You can pick the font, change the size, and even adjust the color to match your video. Once done, drag the text on the preview screen to position it where you like. Most people prefer placing watermarks in a corner. To make sure your watermark stays for the whole video, drag the edges of the text layer on the timeline so it covers the full duration. Finally, for a more professional look, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on the opacity and reduce the opacity using the slider that is available. This makes the watermark visible but not distracting. And that's it. You've successfully added a text watermark in VN Video Editor, a quick and effective way to protect and brand your videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN Video Editor tips.